My name is Shreosee. I am doing BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata, and I am doing Daliya plant meal.
So here we go, we will start. It is a very healthy food where we have the daliya, we have the vegetables, we have little cottage cheese, the paneer, and we are going to make it as per presentation. So if it's health, then also it is art. So having this concept, we are going to start. Okay, so we are going to start making this little bit healthy daliya. Little bit of peas, little bit of beans, carrot to make it more nutritious. Bit of salt. So that the daliya gets cooked, we will put some water. And we will put the daliya. We'll put some salt for flavoring. Okay, now you put this pan that side and you get this pan here. Wait, or else let it get cooked here. We'll go there. This will get cooked for some time, and then we will start with this. Switch on the gas. Paneer block. We are going to flavor some spinach. Quickly put it there. So now, to make it more healthy, we are going to garnish this with these vegetables. We have cherry tomatoes, we have bell peppers, and we have broccoli. So we are going to just saute this so that it makes more healthier. Okay. We are going to just saute these. Okay, now we can move forward towards the garnish. Okay, firstly we have to do this.
Now the dish is ready.
Do prepare at home and let us know how you liked it. Thank you.